Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Another baking video with me. We're making a giant Reese's Pieces peanut butter cookie today. The ingredients you're going to need is a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt and baking soda. You're going to need 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons granulated sugar and brown sugar. You're going to need 1 egg. You're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla, a fourth a cup of the Reese's Pieces, and a fourth a cup of chocolate chips. Don't forget to set your oven to 350 degrees. This will bake for about 17 to 19 minutes. And it's going to be one big cookie. Let's get started. We're going to put the flour in. And the salt. We actually want to do butters first. Butter and sugar. So you do butter, sugar. You're going to beat those up until creamy. Now you are going to add the egg. It does say 2 tablespoons of an egg beaten, but I'm going to just use 1 egg because it doesn't make that much of a difference, in my opinion. I'm going to put the egg in. Also, you're going to put some vanilla. If you go over on the vanilla, that's alright. It just depends how much you like it. You never have too much vanilla. Now, we're going to beat it again until it becomes a smooth consistency. It may look a little runny, and that's alright because the flour will thicken it up. The flour, baking soda, and salt. Add that in. Now, what you're gonna want to do is you can either mix it in by hand in the bowl, which would be easier, or you could put it in on top and sort of fold it in, but it would be easier to put it in the bowl because it would be less mess. We're going to add the Reese's Pieces, and you can add more Reese's Pieces on top if you want. It is just however much you want. See, I bought this a little container of it, and it's a perfect size. We're gonna fold in the Reese's and chocolate chips real good. Now we're gonna take our pan. You can have a parchment paper, or it can be without parchment paper. You just have to make sure you spray the pan really good. Now, I'm going to spray it even when I have parchment paper, just so it releases real easy. Now, we're going to put this on here. It doesn't have to look like a pretty ball or anything. You can actually make multiple cookies if you'd like. I would say 1 giant cookie is the way to go. You can shape it a little bit. It will generally go to one shape once it's baked up. Now once you have it on your pan, as I said in the beginning, you're going to want to have your oven preheated to 350, and this will take about 17 to 19 minutes. Before you put it in the oven, make sure you remember to put in the peanut butter. 2 tablespoons worth of peanut butter. Now that the peanut butter is mixed in, thankfully we caught it that we didn't bake it without the peanut butter because it is a peanut butter cookie. If you forget, that's alright, just put it in your mixer again right away and just add the peanut butter. It'll be set. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. The cookies out of the oven, I put it on the plate and we added some more of the Reese's Pieces, and the cookie will be very soft, but it will firm up once it cools down. And you put Reese's Pieces on top, or whatever topping you want. You can even put ice cream in the middle. That'd be very good. Thank you for watching. There will be a link in the description on the recipe I used for this. See you guys next time.